Hello and welcome to Capital Investments, your go-to source for all things related to investing. Today, we're going to talk about the various ways to invest in 2023. Investing is the process of allocating money with the expectation of obtaining a return or profit. In today's economic climate, there are numerous investment opportunities available. Here are some of the most popular ways to invest in 2023. 1. Stocks. Stocks remain one of the most popular investment options in 2023. They represent ownership in a publicly traded company and offer the potential for significant returns. However, they also come with a higher level of risk. It's essential to do your research and understand the company's financials before investing in their stock. Additionally, diversification is key to mitigating risk. Investing in a mix of stocks across various industries and company sizes can help balance your portfolio. Some popular ways to invest in stocks include buying individual stocks, investing in index funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, or using robo-advisors. Individual stocks can provide the potential for higher returns, but they also come with higher risk. Investing in index funds or ETFs can offer more diversification and lower fees, making them a popular choice for those who prefer a more passive investment strategy. Robo-advisors use algorithms to create and manage investment portfolios based on an individual's goals and risk tolerance, making them an excellent option for those who want a hands-off approach to investing. 2. Mutual funds. Mutual funds are another popular investment option in 2023, especially for those who prefer a more hands-off approach. Mutual funds pool money from multiple investors and invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other securities. They offer the potential for returns with less risk than investing in individual stocks. It's essential to research the fund's management fees and track record before investing in a mutual fund. Some popular types of mutual funds include index funds, actively managed funds, and target date funds. Index funds track the performance of a specific market index, such as the S&P 500, while actively managed funds are managed by a professional fund manager who seeks to outperform the market. Target date funds are designed to adjust their investment strategy based on an individual's retirement date, becoming more conservative as they approach retirement age. 3. Real estate. Real estate investing is another popular way to invest in 2023. This can include buying and renting out properties or investing in real estate investment trusts, REITs. Real estate can provide a steady stream of passive income and has the potential for long-term appreciation. However, it also requires significant capital and management responsibilities. Investing in REITs can provide exposure to real estate without the responsibilities of property management. Some popular ways to invest in real estate include buying rental properties, investing in REITs, or using crowdfunding platforms. Rental properties can provide a steady stream of passive income, but they also require management responsibilities, such as finding tenants, handling maintenance and repairs, and collecting rent. REITs are a popular option for those who want exposure to real estate without the responsibilities of property management. Crowdfunding platforms allow investors to pool their money together to invest in real estate projects, offering the potential for higher returns. 4. Cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies have gained popularity in recent years, and investing in them can be a viable option in 2023. However, it's important to note that they can be volatile and carry a higher level of risk. It's essential to do thorough research and consult with a financial advisor before investing in cryptocurrencies. Some popular cryptocurrencies include Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Investors can buy and hold cryptocurrencies directly or invest in cryptocurrency exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Cryptocurrency ETFs hold a diversified portfolio of cryptocurrencies, reducing the risk of investing in a single currency. 5. Bonds. Bonds are a fixed-income investment that provides regular interest payments to the investor. They offer lower returns than stocks but are generally considered less risky. Bonds can be an excellent option for those looking for a stable income stream. It's important to research the different types of bonds available in 2023, such as government bonds, municipal bonds, and corporate bonds. Government bonds are issued by the federal government and offer a low-risk, low-return investment option. Municipal bonds are issued by state and local governments and offer tax advantages to investors. Corporate bonds are issued by companies and offer higher returns than government and municipal bonds but come with higher risk. Investors can buy individual bonds or invest in bond funds, which offer exposure to a diversified portfolio of bonds. It's important to research the creditworthiness of the bond issuer before investing in their bonds. 6. Commodities. Commodities are raw materials used in the production of goods and can be a viable investment option in 2023. Commodities include metals, such as gold and silver, energy, such as oil and natural gas, and agricultural products, such as corn and soybeans. Investing in commodities can offer diversification and a hedge against inflation. However, they can be volatile and carry higher risk. Investors can invest in commodities directly, through commodity futures contracts or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, that track the performance of a specific commodity. 7. Alternative investments. Alternative investments are non-traditional investment options and can include investments in private equity, hedge funds, or art and collectibles. These investments can offer high returns but also come with higher risk and may require a significant amount of capital. It's important to do thorough research and consult with a financial advisor before investing in alternative investments. In conclusion, there are many ways to invest in 2023, and each option comes with its own benefits and risks. It's important to do thorough research and understand your investment goals and risk tolerance before investing. Diversification is also key to mitigating risk and balancing your portfolio. So, if you want to start investing or expand your investment portfolio in 2023, consider the various options discussed in this video. And don't forget to do your research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. And if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to Capital Investments for more investment-related content in the future.